Over the past 30 years, obesity rates among adults have gone up. In Texas, nearly 70% of all adults and nearly a third of all children are overweight or obese. And a local organization has discovered underserved neighborhoods are the most at risk. Here to talk to me about these issues is Baker Harrell with a Stronger Austin, a community-driven initiative, correct?
Correct. Thank you so much for having me. Yeah, excited to talk about this new initiative that It's Time Texas, the organization that I run, along with Austin Parks and Rec, Austin Public Health, Michael and Susan Dell Center, My Brother's Keeper Austin. We've all come together to say, you know, it's time for us to really make healthy lifestyles accessible to everyone in Austin.
Absolutely, and this is, you know, not completely new because you have started a little bit, especially with middle school and elementary school children.
That's correct. So It's Time Texas offers health and fitness-based after-school programming to kids throughout Central Texas 5 days a week. And so what we did with our partners is come together and say, how do we expand this programming, but how do we think beyond just after school and youth and families? How do we think about adults and seniors in these underserved communities?
And that's how Stronger Austin
And that's how Stronger Austin was born. You know, we know that to have a thriving community, to have a united community, to have an equitable community, health has to be at the center of that. And unfortunately, in our city, we're often known as a fit city, but that's really a half truth.
So who are we specifically targeting? Speaking of that.
Yeah, so we're really looking at the underserved populations in Austin, where there's insufficient access to health and fitness and nutrition education programming. So we're talking primarily about East Austin, North, South Austin, and that's where we're going to start. But because it's community driven, we really wanted to create a platform for all of Austin to come together and help create a healthy, more vibrant, more united community.
Absolutely, and these are all great passions and a great cause, so how are you bringing it to life? Yeah,
so we have our first event this Saturday called Stronger Austin Day. So Saturday from 10 to noon at Turner Roberts Recreation Center. We're going to have a great event, a lot of free programming. Central Texas Food Bank is going to be out and providing nutritious food. Ray Jackson is going to be kicking us off, and then we're going to have a community walk. And really what we're trying to do with Stronger Austin Day is present a vision for what we're building through Stronger Austin. And this is just the first step. It's early days for us. We're focused this fall on expanding the existing programming that we offer, but really working with these neighborhoods to determine what specific programs they want. We know we're going to have after-school programming. We know we're going to have fitness classes for all fitness levels, and then we're going to focus on walking groups and getting people to start walking groups at their church or at their place of business.
Absolutely. And what time does it kick off?
So 10 a.m. on Saturday, StrongerAustin.org. You can find out everything about it. It's totally free, as with all of our programming that we're going to be offering through Stronger Austin. There are ways for individuals to get involved. We need the business community to support this. You mentioned before we went on air, it's not cheap.
No.
We need the business community to step up because we know health is foundational. And unfortunately, too many of our neighbors don't have access to the health resources that many of us take for granted.
That is absolutely true. Well, thank you so much. StrongerAustin.org.
Correct.
Thank you.
Thank you.